Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Equalizer Apo and optionally the Piece GUI. This tutorial uses the stock config so you learn the core. Once done, open Configuration Editor through Configurator and ensure your output device is enabled. No device, no processing. Now create a new preamp node and a parametric filter group. These are the containers you'll tweak. Make sure processing order places noise reduction before final EQ. That way reductions don't get reamplified. Save a baseline preset now so you can revert. You need to identify noise using a short recording or real-time monitoring while inspecting a spectrogram. This shows peaks to target. Once you see a narrow spike, often at 50/60 Hz for hum, add a parametric filter with high Q and pull gain down until the spike disappears. For broadband hiss, add a wider filter with gentler attenuation across two 10K Hz and use multiple overlapping bands if needed. Make small adjustments. Listen and bypass filters to judge impact. Tweak Q and gain iteratively. You finish by smoothing transitions. Add a low cut around 2040 Hz to remove rumble, then a subtle high shelf cut or boost to balance clarity. Once done, toggle bypass and listen for breathing artifacts or metallic ringing. If you hear them, reduce attenuation or widen Q to make cuts gentler. Make sure to /B tests across representative content, then save the final preset. If noise persists, check wiring, sample rate mismatches, or disable other audio effects. Those often reintroduce noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.